What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jonathan. Make sure to subscribe down below. Today I have for you guys a new product review. New product for you guys. I've actually had this one for about over a year now. This here is a storage solution for any vehicle that you might have. I carry this in my Tacoma all the time. So basically it comes folded, easy to move around with. But what this is actually, it has some clips here and it expands into multiple compartment storages, including your own little cooler. So this is a product fully extended. You have one storage compartment, another storage compartment, and a little cooler here. Have this Velcro on the sides, so you can place this in the middle. And you basically made your single storage compartment into a double storage compartment. This pocket here remains as a large pocket. And then on the cooler over here, zipper to keep everything cool. And then inside it's kind of this plastic insulation material. Along the back side here, there's really no pockets. However, if we turn it over, to the front sides, we have these bungee pockets here. If this is too big and you think it won't fit in your vehicle, you actually have the capacity to make this a lot smaller. I'm going to show you guys how to collapse the middle pocket so that you only have your cooler and one pocket. In order to do that, take the divider out, and basically it has these folds here. So what you can do is just smack it in, folds into a triangle, and with these clips here, you just join them together. Join these together on each side, and you basically made your storage compartment a lot smaller. You only have one pocket now and the cooler. I usually carry this in the back seat of my Tacoma. If you put this in the trunk of your car, it's very nice because it actually does have some Velcro here, so it will stick to your car's trunk carpet material. I don't have a lot of waters or like bottles to kind of show you guys how big the storage is, so what I'm gonna stuff random stuff in here and see if it fits. All right, so we have one water bottle, a little Gatorade, another drink, some more water bottles, and it's about maybe 30% full. So let me see what else I can add. We're going to be adding these little propane gas. Fits in there quite well. There still is some room in there. Let me see what else I can add. I have a Lysol sanitizer wipes package. As you can see, it also fits in there quite nicely. That's about as much stuff you can fit inside there. Probably not the best example. Don't put the stuff I put in here just for demonstration purposes. For this example, I'm going to be extending it to the full capacity. I have here laundry softener bottles. I'm going to put them inside and they fit perfectly next to each other. You can probably stuff some more stuff on the side, such as that. And now let's see what we can place on the other pocket. Maybe if you have a late night picnic, you're going to need some napkins. Put those on here. And some solar flashlights, just in case if it gets too dark. Set those up. And there we go. As you can see, everything fits in there nicely. This is not the best example as to what you can fit in here. Usually in these, I actually carry spare clothing, just in case if my clothing that I'm wearing gets dirty, I have a change of clothes. This is everything you're able to fit within the carrying case. These side net pockets here, which also can allow you to fit some stuff, and these front pockets as well. In my opinion, this is a must-have in any person's car. It helps you keep your car organized, especially if you're doing grocery shopping. You can pop the stuff inside the pockets, or if you just need to carry some emergency supplies, it's always good to keep them here. My favorite part of it is that it comes with the cooler. Always nice to have a drink when you're stuck in traffic or kind of have a long road trip. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.